Hi guys, this is the first video which will deal just with notation and mastering that part of notation, identifying the names of the notes and how we can figure them out quickly. I'm also going to use a whiteboard here that has the staff, and I'll put the camera above as we go, so it'll be very clear for you. First I want to just, it's about this booklet, and it's about the pages that have the identifying of the notes. The second video after this will be a thorough tutorial on all about rhythm. Okay, subdivisions and what are beats and what is the value of the name of the note. That becomes very clear. I'm also going to show you what dotted notes are. I'm going to use the whiteboard for that as well, but for today it's just the whiteboard in terms of identifying the different pitches. Pitches is a scientific word for a specific note going up and down. So we'll look at the notes here, just for a lot of you that are still not clear about the letters in English. We can see very clearly that on this, there's like a ladder going up. And the main note usually is a C. So if I go to the piano, play the C, let's see. C, okay. C. So if we start on that, we go through the major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Or in other words, in French, the French name is above. Do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So those are the white keys on the piano and specific frets on the guitar. Do, si, la. So it's starting on la because it's like the ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That would be the A minor scale if we sing from that. So if we know where they are in the instrument, we've got those two scales down. And again, 2 points of reference that can help you. The only French names are la and fa, right? Fa and la that have the A in them, whereas the only one that has F is fa and F. So, and then the other one is la and A. So that helps you find the names of the notes. So if you can memorize that and it becomes like that, you're good with the names. Okay. Now, so I'm going to use that whiteboard to show you things. So again. If you look very carefully on this sheet, you can see that it has the notes that are within the staff, so 5-line staff, and then there's one note in between, which is the middle C, and then you can see that the neighbor note is there going up alphabetically. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and going backwards. F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. And going back, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, backwards. And I'm going to also show you, we're going to practice a little bit how to count in thirds. I think it's much easier. I'm going to use the whiteboard that's here for that. So I think there's nothing to really teach you about how to do this first page. You can see there's some answers there. Okay, I'm not going to show you the answers. So it's that page, that first page, real easy. All you have to do, basically, for this first page is use this thing because the notes are within the staff. You can see the notes are not above or below with the ledger lines. So the main purpose is to help you find more tougher questions on this second sheet using just common sense notions about finding that and how to count it in the spaces and in the lines. So I'm just going to use the whiteboard for that to help you with that, and we'll practice also counting in thirds, which is easier, from line to line to line going up. Space to space to space is faster, and also how to figure out what the octave is. So we'll go through that, and I think it should be pretty clear. So we're going to go to this particular thing here, which is the whiteboard, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So I'm going to stop for now.